I think, this is just appalling that this is happening across states. Every monsoon season, if you see, the way roads just collapse. This is a case that's come to the fore in Uttar Pradesh. This is a Pride project that's collapsed. There's 84 sinkholes that's being reported. I mean, we have not gone on the ground and counted that. These are reports that have come. But whatever the number be, even if it is 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, whatsoever the number be. Maharashtra, we saw how tunnels were caving in. We've seen in Karnataka how the pothole menace has been. We've seen it in Kerala. We've seen it in other states as well. Ghanshyam Tiwari, sticking to what is happening in Uttar Pradesh, how do you respond to what BJP is claiming? Roads ban rahe hain, isliye problem hai. Pehle to bante bhi nahi the.
This is like saying that, good evening to you, the viewers and the fellow co-panelists. This is like saying कि exams हो रहे हैं तो leak हो रहे हैं, roads बन रहे हैं तो टूट रहे हैं. So इस तरह की दलील का तो कोई अंत ही नहीं है. अभी हमने देखा कि शिक्षा मंत्री है तो रिजाइन करेंगे. So इस तरह की दलील का कोई मतलब नहीं है. As far as this particular road is concerned, this government, who recent media report says that has spent 7,000 crores on its own advertisement, I'm talking about Uttar Pradesh government, which with much fanfare, Mr. Gadkari, Rajnath Singh, Yogi Adityanath, all these politicians who have no business in looking at the quality of the road, inaugurated, media fair, and the work was done. If the entire model of BJP is to put up a grand show, a grand tamasha, whether it is the Prime Minister doing Instagram videos at midnight or whether it is Rajnath Singh inaugurating the road, it's the grand tamasha that is the goal. Otherwise, in a country where there is more than 150,000 kilometers of network, it is not that BJP built it overnight. By the time BJP came, there was already 1 lakh kilometer of road network. In the age of AI, you cannot give a completion certificate, provisional and real, and inaugurate the road with multiple ministers with grand tamasha when the road is like this. This failure is unpardonable. This is 4,800 crores. I know that a basic Google search will tell you that BJP has amassed nearly 20 to 25,000 crores in donations. So it's peanuts for them, but it's very valuable money for the taxpayer of the country.
Himanshu Shukla?
Right now, in a system which is unaccountable, whether it's a Prime Minister missing from the Parliament or Home Minister, or whether in case of this road, at least the basic human integrity is that the people who went there to inaugurate it with much fanfare should go there again and express their apology that they inaugurated this kind of project.
Dr. Himanshu Shukla, please respond.
नहीं, मैंने डिबेट की शुरुआत में ही बोल दिया था कि हम अकाउंटेबिलिटी ले रहे हैं. एनएचएआई के जो प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर हैं उन पे एक्शन ले लिया गया है, जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर थे उन पे एक्शन ले लिया गया है. जितने भी लोग इस प्रोजेक्ट में या तो नोडल ऑफिसर थे एनएचएआई की तरफ से या जो भी अधिकारी रखे गए थे उन सब पर एक्शन लिया गया है. मैं अभी नाम नहीं लेना चाहता हूं. यहाँ पे समाजवादी पार्टी वाले बोल रहे हैं आपके समय में कानपुर लखनऊ हाईवे जो सिर्फ एक लेन बना था शुक्लागंज पे 1.5 घंटे का ट्रैफिक होता था, तब आपको ये चीजें नहीं याद आती थी. अभी जब डबलिंग ऑफ जीटी रोड बन गया है, अब तो डबल लेन से 6 लेन हो गया है. अब वहां पे आप उस पर क्वेश्चन उठा सकते हैं, नहीं उठा सकते हैं. अब मैं बता रहा हूँ कानपुर की गुरुदेव चौराहा से लेके हमारी सरकार में लखनऊ का एक नया रोड बना है ट्रांस गंगा के किनारे होते हुए. ये सब डेवलपमेंट है जो हम लोग कर रहे हैं ताकि वहां के लोगों को सहूलियत मिले. आप लोग ने क्या किया है, कानपुर के समय वहां पे जो लखनऊ के लोगों के लिए दूध जाता था कानपुर से, वहां के बेचारे ट्रेन पे बैठ के चढ़ के जाते थे. आप यहाँ पे क्या यहाँ दलीलें दे रहे हैं अपने टाइम की? जब आपका समय था काम करने का तो आप कुछ काम करते नहीं है. हमने भारतमाला, इकोनॉमिक कॉरिडोर, बॉर्डर कॉरिडोर, कोस्टल रोड्स, पोर्ट्स कनेक्टिविटी सब करके दी है और हम उसकी पूरी अकाउंटेबिलिटी दे रहे हैं. अब क्या आप चाहते वहां आके माफी मांगने से चीजें सुलझेंगी कि वहां की जो दिक्कत हुई उसको ठीक करने से चीजें सुलझेंगी?
Himanshu Shukla, one thing I want to ask you is, were these fans used to dry up the repair work?
No.
Ghanshyam Tiwari, SP has said, Samajwadi Party has claimed that these fans were used for drying up the repair work.
देखिए, the scientific temper of Bharatiya Janata Party is lighter than a microorganism.
नहीं, आप बता दीजिए.
We will not comment on that. I was not interrupting you. I was not interrupting you, please. I will say that their scientific temper is lighter than amoeba.
Or was it the Congress and Samajwadi Party trying to pull a fast one? trying to
Well-
use one fan that was there to drive a point that it was drying up the road.
This is a,
I
this
can
is
see
a,
pictures with one fan. I mean, even if you have to think of the road being repaired, I don't know how many fans would you require. So I don't know who used scientific understanding or sarcasm here. You'll have to explain me on that.
This is the reason I started by saying that BJP spent, UP government alone, forget Modi ji, 7,000 crores on their PR and advertising. You're saying that this 7,000 crore versus this fan, they can't wash off this story? They have washed off the crime records of Mr. Adityanath himself. So let us give BJP its due. Beimani in everything, from chanda to chadhawa to exam to road, is their culture. It is inherent to them. And then the showmanship on top of it. This is unpardonable.